Here I've got General Mobile GM8 Go, and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to open network and the internet, so this is the first tab, and then go to hotspot and tethering. And now if you want to activate the Wi-Fi hotspot, simply click on Wi-Fi hotspot, where you can switch on your portable hotspot. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. Here you've got this sign, that means that your Wi-Fi hotspot is active, so you can share internet with other devices. You can also personalize this hotspot by tapping on Setup Wi-Fi hotspot, where you can change the network name and also the password. So click on Show Password to see what your current password is, delete the current one and enter a new one. And click on Save. Wait a couple of seconds until the changes are updated. And that's it. Now your hotspot has new name and also new password. Simply click here and you will be able to come along with it. And obviously you can switch off the hotspot by tapping on the same switcher. Moreover, you can also quickly access Wi-Fi hotspot through the upper bar. Simply slide it down and now locate hotspot icon. And here it is, so simply click on it, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. It's active now. Then if you would like to switch off hotspot, simply tap on the same icon one more time. And that's actually all. This is how you can activate, use and switch off portable hotspot in your General Mobile. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.